Marshall with Haven Spa Pool and Hearth. Today I want to talk to you about your inline sanitization system by King Technologies Frog at ease. So when you get your spa, you're going to balance your water, you're going to balance your alkalinity and you're going to balance your pH. And if you add a little calcium harness, you can put that in. And if you have metals in your water, you can use metal gone. You're going to get all that balanced before you start this process. Once that's all balanced, we want to get that chlorine reserve up. So you're going to grab a packet. On the packet, it tells you how much to use. This is a 400-gallon spa, so I'm going to use about 3/4 of this pocket. All right, got that in there. You're going to let it circulate for a little while. So while that's going, we're going to take the lid off. Right here is a lid with stuff under it. You could get wet while you're doing this. It could happen. I'm just saying. Unscrew the lid. Underneath, a little white handle. Turn it till it clicks. And pull it out. On the side, minerals and chlorine. So it's really user-friendly. In your instructions that come with this, there's going to be a chart because each of these has a dial setting on it for how you want to set it for your spa gallons. So you're going to turn it, you're going to read your instructions, everybody, and you're going to turn this dial to the commensurate number for your spa. Once that's in, you're going to say, where does this go? Oh, it goes in the mineral section. So you're just going to pop it in like that, and then we're going to repeat the process with your chlorine cartridge. You're going to read your instructions. You're going to set the dial where it needs to be. You are going to pop your cartridge into the holder, and then, like magic, you will put it back down, and this is where it could get messy. Put it back in, turn it till it locks, spin that lid back on, put on some groovy music, grab a glass of wine, and take a soak in your hot tub.